Hey guys, it's Matt checking out another great manly band. Today we got the blue steel. Comes in the always nondescript packaging, so it's nice in case it's out on the porch for a little bit. And the nice velvet carrying case. Manly Band's logo, boom. Also, Manly Band's logo, boom. Ooh, look at the shine on this one. This is Tungsten Carbide, so you know it's tough and durable. It's got comfort fit, and you can get it in 6 or 8 millimeter, and it is a domed design. Nice brushed finish there, and check out that inside with the blue steel. And you have to do your best blue steel when you're wearing this guy. So check out the blue steel from Manly Bands. They send along the care instructions with it, and also if you need exchange or return. Check out Manly Bands.